trick shots, cone edition. Today we don't have any buckets, so we're going to use cones. Let's go! Let's call this the 10-yard roll.
Yes!
Let's call this the wall ride shot.
Ah!
Double or nothing. Let's do this. Yes!
We're gonna catch it.
Double or nothing.
Let's do this.
Yeah!
Whoa.
Double or nothing, but the opposite. Oh! Through ladder. Yeah.
Woohoo!
Call this the skip shot.
Perfect.
I nailed it. I like to call this the cone shot in the dark. Let's do it.
Ryan, come eat, honey.
Yes!